Hello, and welcome to this WP Cloud Deploy walkthrough. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to use your own server with WP Cloud Deploy. The Bring Your Own Server add-on allows you to use any server at any cloud provider, even if we don't directly support the provider. You can even use bare metal servers. However, the server must meet our requirements. It must have a basic installation of Ubuntu 18.04 LTS or Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. No other software such as Nginx or PHP should be installed. The root user must have an SSH certificate installed, and you should be in possession of the related private key. The server must be publicly accessible across the internet, and you must know its public IP. It must have its SSH port open, port 22. HTTP and HTTPS ports 80 and 443 respectively must be open as well. Once your server is prepared, make sure the custom server add-on is installed and active in WordPress, and then go to WP Cloud Deploy, Settings, and then the Cloud Providers tab. Click on Custom Server. Now enter the IP address of your server. Enter any value into the API key field. This value should be unique among all custom servers if you're using multiple custom server providers. Enter the user ID of the root user. This is usually root. And then enter some descriptive text for the region name, server size, and public SSH key name. Next, click Save Settings. Usually, you'll need to navigate back to Custom Server and save the settings one more time. And now, if we return to the Custom Server Settings area, we'll now be able to enter our private SSH key for the root user. So let's drop that in. And let's scroll down and click Save Settings one more time. Now that our custom server is set up, let's go to WP Cloud Deploy, All Cloud Servers, and click Deploy a new WordPress server. In the Provider dropdown, we should see Custom Server as an option. Choose that, name the server, and click Deploy. Once the process is finished, you'll see your new custom server in the Cloud Servers list in WP Cloud Deploy. To deploy additional custom servers, you need to create a virtual cloud provider for each server. Do not try to reuse or change the data in the custom server provider that you've already used. Let's set up a virtual provider. Go to WP Cloud Deploy, Virtual Providers, and click Add New Virtual Provider. Name the virtual cloud provider, add a region prefix, and click Publish. Now we can return to WP Cloud Deploy, Settings, Cloud Providers, and you'll see that our virtual provider is now listed for configuration. The configuration steps for this virtual provider will be the same as they were for the custom server provider.